Right, hello V and Trang Anh. Hello, sit closer. Sit closer, sit closer, sit closer. Okay. Okay, so can you look at the picture? Look at this picture. Look at the picture and tell me. And tell me. Okay. Okay, can you name the animal for me, please? What's the name of the animal? Okay, let's talk about this one. What's the name of this animal, Trang Anh? Is it an eagle or is it an ostrich? Yes, it is an ostrich. Yeah. What about this? What's the name of this animal?
Is bird.
Yeah, they both belong to bird group. But what's the name of this? Is it an eagle or is it an ostrich?
Eagle.
Yeah, it is an eagle.
It is an eagle.
Trang Anh, it is.
Bird.
Yes, it is a bird. It has a name. And its name is eagle. So it is an eagle. Okay? Let's talk about part of the body. So about sharp claws. Does an ostrich have sharp claws? Does the ostrich have a sharp claws? It does have a sharp claw or it doesn't? An ostrich? No, the ostrich doesn't have a sharp claw. Doesn't have a sharp claws. Trang Anh, the ostrich has a sharp claw or doesn't have a sharp claws? Has sharp claw or doesn't have sharp claws? Has sharp claw? No, the ostrich doesn't have a sharp claws. The eagle has sharp claw or doesn't have a sharp claw? Has sharp claws. Trang Anh, the ostrich has sharp claw or doesn't have sharp claws? The eagle has sharp claws. Okay. Talking about the size. The ostrich is a big or small? Huh? The ostrich is big or small? Big. So the ostrich is big. Yeah? The eagle is big or small?
Big.
Okay, so eagle is big, the ostrich is big. But which one is bigger? Ostrich is bigger? Eagle is bigger? Which one is bigger? The ostrich is bigger. Okay? Talk about the beak. Beak. The ostrich has a beak or doesn't have a beak? Huh? Trang Anh, has a beak, doesn't have a beak? Yes, the ostrich has a beak. The eagle has a beak or doesn't have a beak? Yes, so the eagle has a beak, the ostrich has a beak. Yeah? Talking about what they can do. The eagle can fly or cannot fly? The eagle can fly. What about the ostrich? Can the ostrich fly?
No.
The ostrich can fly or cannot fly?
Not fly.
That's why the ostrich cannot fly. Okay, so which animal group does the eagle belong to? The eagle belong to? Belong to? Huh? To which animal group? The eagle belong to which animal group? Well, when I talk,
Birds.
yes, that's right. The animal belong to bird group. Which animal group does the ostrich belong to? The ostrich.
Belong to bird.
That's why the ostrich also belong to bird group. Okay, so the ostrich belong to bird group. The eagle belong to bird group. They both belong to bird group. Talking about the same. Yeah. The ostrich has a beak. The eagle has a beak. That is the same. Okay. The eagle can fly. The ostrich cannot fly. It is different. The eagle has sharp claws. The ostrich doesn't have a sharp claws. That is the difference. The eagle is big. The ostrich is bigger. That is the difference. Okay? Bye bye.